unboxing is this, look at this beautiful cover. It's Discovering Life's Story, Volume 1, Biology's Beginnings, by Joy Hakim, or Hakim. She is the best-selling author of A History of Us. And so this is kind of human history. And it's looks like it's like middle grade. It's definitely, you know, chunky. Almost about 200 pages. And here we're learning about, I guess, people, right? So it's biology, but also the people who were well known during each period of time. So it starts with the Islamic world, the Christian world. I think it's all through the slant of science. Is that right? So this looks like great, especially if anyone's doing kind of like a research paper and they want to learn more about a particular person or period of history. Kids who like nonfiction and biology, this would be a good book for them. Has such interesting illustrations. It looks like they got like some period, like original source material, as well as, kind of fun illustrations to balance it. Okay, and so this is this Discovering Life Story series, and it is about science. It's the scientific quest to understand life itself. So it's both like history. It's basically history of science, and I studied history of science in college, and so it's sort of like history. It's sort of like how history was driven by science. Like, this is literally history of science. I honestly wish I had this version of the book to read when I was in college. Instead, I had, it was, more dense text, less interesting, I would say. But this would have been a fun way to learn history of science, which is literally, I think this would, because we studied the same things. Philosophers, we definitely read Bacon. We didn't go all the way back, or I don't remember going back to the Islamic world. Maybe we did. But yes, so people who like history and who like science, it is the perfect intersection, history of science. And here it is in a middle grade form. Maybe 8 and up, maybe 10 and up, honestly, maybe 10. But really based on your, the child's interest. Because if they like history and they like science and they're interested in how science changed history and how history was affected by scientific discoveries and kind of how that spread around the world and how it, caused, ruptures in, governments and society, and changes like this is definitely for you. This is what you'd study. So thank you to who sent this to me. MITeen Press. Oh wow, so they have a kids, MIT has a kids and a sort of a middle grade YA publishing arm. Very cool. And thank you for watching.